Hi there, this is Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. For sale today we have our 1967 Jaguar E-Type Roadster. This is a 4.2 Series 1. I think technically it's a Series 1, but people like to call it a 1 1/4 because it's a later, well, it's like a mid-year produced 67 with these exposed headlamps. So Series 1 Roadster, Primrose yellow with a light tan interior, black top boot, cream top. This is a 44,000 mile original car, originally sold in New Mexico. I just purchased the car this year off the third owner up in the Bay Area. So really good history from new, with the two owners in New Mexico and then the one up in the San Francisco Bay Area. He owned it for 10 years and loved the car. Did a lot of work to it as far as mechanicals. But these cosmetics you're looking at, they are about 25, 30 years old. This is a wonderful, wonderful car. Best driving E-Type I've had. Just excellent, excellent mechanicals on it. Never been apart or largely restored. These cosmetics, I believe, were in sort of like the late 90s that were done to the car. So paint and interior, but the car's never been apart. So just a really lovely three-owner, 44,000 mile car with one cosmetic refresh about 25, 30 years ago. Paint work is holding up really well. Very good chrome. You can see it's fitted with these Lucas tripod headlamps. Couple little things from use. You can see here there's a little chip on the louvers there. I think that when they were installing the radiator, they had a little owie just pop right there on the hood. Another little tiny chip there. The nose, you can see it's been enjoyed. There are a few little fine sand chips around the nose, but you know, in my opinion, this is exactly how you want an E-Type. You don't want to be panic-stricken to drive it. You want to absolutely just get in the car and drive it hard if you want, you know. But very just lovely car overall. Most of the chrome work on the car is original, as you can see by these items here. I don't think any of this stuff's been re-chromed. This is the original triplex windshield. It is tinted and it matches the original triplex tinted door glass here. This car is fitted with its original fuel cap. The chrome was probably done at one point. It is starting to show a little bit of stain here on the bumpers, but you know, that's easy just to pop those bumpers off. Wheels are in excellent condition. These are beautiful, probably stainless wheels, or maybe they're chrome plated, but they are just excellent. The previous owner did lots of brake work, fitted a new clutch. He spent about 10 or 11 grand mechanically to get this car just perfectly up to snuff the way it is today. He thought the interior was original, but on close inspection, this was probably a Bartlett interior kit from, you know, circa 80s or 90s on the car. But beautiful original wood steering wheel. There's the mileage there. That is the real actual mileage. We've got some documentation. So 43,394. Original Blaupunk radio. But a very nice, very nice, just perfect user condition, driver condition interior. You know, beautiful leather seats. Like I said, you're viewing an interior that was installed in this car probably 25, 30 years ago. Still showing nicely, still just in great condition. You can see the moquette on the back of the seats here. Some really lovely broken in interior. You know, if you do a close-up here, you can see it's still, everything's kept still in wonderful condition, very clean. This car comes with a toolkit, jack, all the original equipment. We'll do an overview here of the interior. So you can see both seats are in excellent condition. Just a lovely interior, probably a 9 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10 interior. Kind of just like the rest of the car. So everything suits the car nicely. It's all kind of mellowed at the same rate. Let's take a look at this this wonderful original engine compartment. So this is the original engine compartment, all the original yellow subframes, never been painted. Complete matching numbers driveline fitted to the car. It's original. You can see here we've got some new brake items. Never been hit. All the back of this this bonnet here is the original paintwork, so you can just see how extremely well preserved this E-Type is. Having just one interior and one simple respray for its whole entire lifetime. Yeah, this VIN number is 1E15001. If you look in XKE data, you can see that it is right at the change for the enclosed lamp car to be changed over to the open headlight model. You can see in here just wonderful, really nice, unmolested, clean, untouched, original. Runs and drives just spectacularly. Good, very good, very good bonnet fit. I doubt the bonnet's ever been off the car. We'll latch this side down here. Yeah, let me start the car up. So, super impressive mechanicals on this thing. Just absolutely purrs. Year of manufacture, California license plates on the car. It was sold new in New Mexico. Superb driving E-Type. So very well sorted over the past 10 years by its California owner, and just a lovely car to get in and use. Keep in its current condition. This car will never be restored. It's just too nice of an original to even maybe think about painting it. But a spectacular three owners, low mileage example of a 67 E-Type Roadster, finished in its original color of pale primrose, light tan interior, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels, cream soft top, black top boot, matching numbers car, original data plate, 3 owners from new. Sold new in New Mexico, and then its 3rd owner was a California owner up in the San Francisco Bay Area. Just an absolutely lovely, nicely broken in, turnkey, original low mileage E-Type Roadster. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.